Hey guys, it's Jaden here, and I'm here with another episode of Cluster Truck. And if you guys are new to this, I recommend you watch the previous episodes. If you're lazy enough to not do that, we are up to the laser world. We were about to finish it, but we didn't have time. So world 1, we did episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, and we went up to level 8. And now we're just going to do 9 and 10, and then we can see what the next biome is. The banner of the video might tell you what biome it is, so like I still don't know what it is. So you guys know, but I do not. Okay, let's just play the game. And if you guys are new, subscribe, like, to tell that you want more. I could not speak them. What is this? You have to go behind the walls. I don't know what happened there. I don't know what happened there. Ow! This is so hard. What are those, like, things? Those box things? No, like, these things here. Those weird things. Ah, so hard. That's hard. I actually don't know how I'm going to do this. What? How did I do that? Oh, and tell me what video you want. Wait, no, what level is your favorite? I don't know why I can't talk today. And actually, I'm going to try to do a backflip. Oh, yeah. Oh! And I did it! Oh my gosh, backflip. Okay, guys, this is going to be the last episode. Oh no, last level of the laser. I don't know why I can't speak, and of course it's like this. This is insane. I have to see if I can do it first try, because that would be amazing. It is so confusing though. Oh no, there's no way I could have done that first try. It's weird, like the crystals move, but there's lasers stuck to the things moving, but the lasers also move. So it's like, and I'm on moving trucks that are moving left to right. This is so confusing. See, I don't know, it just turns. This is so complex and confusing. This is. No, you're so close. See, like literally all the trucks, they all break and all that. See, they all just explode and crash into each other. Staying on this truck. Okay, now I'm gonna. I should have not moved. Okay. I can do this. I always seem to do the levels really easy and stuff at the beginning, like my first try. I don't know why. Oh yes, I'm glad that happened. Oh my gosh. Yes! And that was the final level of the laser. And oh, guys. Oh, you guys know what it is, but I have absolutely no idea. 3, 2, 1. Medieval? This is gonna be so weird. There is, I believe there's 12 worlds. I don't know. I think there is, actually. I guess we just start play button. And if you haven't yet subscribed and liked, please, because this is a full-on medieval world, and you probably see me die so much times. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. And there's a hammer, there's a hammer, there's a hammer. There's hammers falling absolutely everywhere. That was kind of expected. Whoa. They fall and wreck all the trucks. It's so... Also, every level has a different concept. And this one is swinging hammers. Great. And I made it! Oh no, I did. Oh, yes! Oh, I was pretty much on the finish line. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna stop there. Wait, main menu. I'm gonna go to abilities. What one? Okay. How much is this? 15. I thought 120. Air dash. I'm pretty sure you can only have one power up in each. For example, if I go air dash, I won't have the jump boost. But if I have something on this side and on this side, that's good. That would work. What does this mean? Freeze all trucks. A projectile. Time slow. Oh, I might do that. And I have no idea how this is gonna work. Oh, actually, I'm gonna just. Okay. R and B to slow to. That just. Whoops. It's right click. This is so cool. So it's like, yeah. That is OP and I love it. It's like, oh yeah, slow mode backwards. Oh, it got hit by a truck. So it's like, yeah, still going. Backflip, backflip, so much backflips. Oh, that was so cool though. Now let me just use it when I actually need it. So then I can just concentrate and just know. I'm not gonna do it. It's like, yeah! Oh, that's amazing. So, I'm actually wondering what level's gonna be my favorite because there. See, look, now there's both of them combined into the one. No. Okay, that slow mode is amazing. There's a truck on its back. I never would have expected that. I would have never expected me to ever to say that. Oh yes, oh no. Did that really just? I hit. Okay, that was my fault. I keep forgetting if you press shift you go a bit faster. See, like what the? I was on the spikes. Okay. That was odd. No, so close! Okay. I can do this. And I nailed it. So guys, I might stop the episode when it says 5-5. We have 5-3. Now we are on 5-4. What's so bad about this level? Oh my gosh. It's like a full-on earthquake. Okay. I kind of want to go on one of those things. Oh, that's so cool. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's like this boom. Guys, did you just see what happened? Look how much airtime I'm getting. So much points. I got 2,000. Okay. This is amazing. Okay, final level. And no, it's got all of them combined. Oh my gosh, I just did it. So guys, if you want to see more, subscribe, like, comment that you want to see more. And yeah, subscribe. I think I already said that. And if you don't know how this works, goodbye.